Hi there. This demo showcases what Intergen can do with Power BI in the vehicle rental industry to provide useful insights for executives and operational staff so that they can learn more about the revenue and bookings made. This will allow them to identify opportunities and inefficiencies so that they can maximize and optimize their resources and hence be able to make well-informed business decisions to improve performance and increase revenue in the future. Looking at this analysis dashboard, we get an overview of the company auto rental. We can see key performance indicators here, total revenue earned and total bookings made for the current year. From the column charts beneath, we can see that both of these have increased from 2016, which is great. We can also hover our cursor over the bars to see specific values in the tooltips if we wish. Having these key performance indicators is useful as it allows the user to get a quick overview of the performance of the business efficiently. We can easily see that the online sales channel was the sales channel where the most revenue was earned in comparison to other sales channels. If we drill down on this by right-clicking and selecting Drill Down, we can see that Queenstown Airport is the most popular vehicle pickup location for online bookings. And we can see more information about this in the tooltip. We can also see that the AND car is the most popular vehicle category to hire. Having all this information allows the business to make informed decisions on what sales channels, branches, and vehicles to invest resources in, and also manage their pricing rates accordingly. This would allow them to maximize their bookings and hence sales. We are also able to see how many pickups and drop-offs are made at different hours throughout the current day on average. For example, here in this pickup chart, we can see that there is a significant peak of pickups at 1:25 p.m. today. If I drill down on this by right-clicking and selecting Drill Down, I can see which branches pickups are being made today at this time. This will prove to be useful as auto rental can anticipate when branches will be busy and use staff time effectively, as we would know when more staff are required at a branch. Let's switch over to the vehicle rental bookings report. Here we are able to see how auto rentals bookings are spread out. Now let's have a look at the online bookings made for December 2017. I can filter the data to show this by clicking on these slices. So we want online. We can see that 2017 is already selected here. So let's click on December here. And we can see that the data has been filtered to show the information we want. And we can see that reflected in this calendar visual here. So the dates in this visual are conditionally formatted so that the higher the number of pickups, the darker the color. So here in this example, we can see how towards the end of the month, there are more darker colors and hence pickups made for vehicles. This is likely to be due to it being the holiday season. Let's say I would like to see what pickups are made for the 24th of December. By clicking on this date in the calendar, I can see that to the table to the right, the information is filtered to show information about bookings where the pickup date is the 24th of December 2017. From this, users can make patterns and correlations on what kind of bookings are made at different times of the year by comparing this with other days, and can forecast and plan to allocate their resources accordingly for future years. We can see that the higher days have been conditionally formatted with data bars so that it is easy to see which bookings are longer in higher days than others. We can also see the branches these pickups are being made at in the bar chart over here in the highlighted section, as the visuals are interactive to one another. Now let's have a look at the vehicle tracking report. Here we are able to locate where specific vehicles are. For example, let's have a look at cars. I'd like to see the ant car specifically, and I'd like to filter the data so that we can only see vehicles that are currently available. We can see in this table here that there are 4 vehicles that meet this criteria, and the map here makes it easier to visualize the location of the branches where these can be picked up from. If I had a specific vehicle in mind, say I want to locate this particular vehicle, I can select it in the slicer here and can easily see in this map that the location where this can be picked up from is in Christchurch. By seeing where the ant car is available, users can then query to determine at which pickup location the ant car is in demand, and can move these available cars there so that they are utilised. This move could be done by relocation deals planned by the business. Alternatively, say I want to see what cars are available at Auckland Airport. So let's clear these slices here. So we want to see cars that can be picked up right now at Auckland Airport. And so we see this information here, and let me order this by vehicle category just to make it a bit easier to read. This can be useful when handling customer queries, as we can obtain real-time information on vehicle availability with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching this showcase, demoing what Intergen can do with Power BI in the vehicle rental industry. This demo gives you one example of how Power BI can benefit your organization so that you can gain greater visibility, gain real-time insights quickly, and make informed data-driven decisions. To learn more about this, please visit the website shown on the screen. Thank you.